For the first time in recorded history, there were no EF-3 or stronger tornadoes during the month of May. That's according to the Storm Prediction Center. But that good news does not really tell the whole story. Davis Nolan breaks down Tennessee's statistics for last month.
Well, they may have all been EF-0 tornadoes, but the month of May 2021, we had 16 of them, and 14 occurred in just one day. I talked to National Weather Service Warning Coordinator meteorologist Chrissy Hurley about just how unusual that was.
The May 4th event, where we had 14 different tornadoes, that event was really unusual for this area because all 14 tornadoes occurred during the morning hours. And as most people know around here, our peak tornado time frame is in the afternoon, evening, or overnight hours.
And there were two more on May 28th in Putnam and Overton counties. And if you think an EF-0 tornado is not dangerous, think again. Watch what happens after two people walk into this barn at Clydesdale Farms in Rickman, Tennessee in Overton County. The tornado with 80-mile-per-hour winds topples two large trees onto the barn, causing it to collapse. Luckily, there were only two minor injuries. It could have been much worse.
That tornado, it's exactly what we think of when we think of these quick spin-up tornadoes. You know, they're moving very fast. The rotation in them is very, very fast. And that's enough wind to cause quite a bit of damage to trees, uproot trees, barns, outbuildings.
So after 6 months, how is this year stacking up?
In a given year, we usually have 17 tornadoes for the entire year in Middle Tennessee. Last year, we had 21 for the entire year. So far, we already have 22, and we still have our secondary tornado season this fall.
We hope not, but this could be a long year for tornadoes. I'm meteorologist Davis Nolan, News 2.
And for more information on this, you can find all of our weather coverage on WKRN.com. Just click under the Weather tab at the top of the page.